Google just released a tool that transforms how artists create AI art. Today, we're exploring Creative Studio's flow features that unlock next-level creative possibilities. Google's Creative Studio is a free platform designed for artists and creators. It combines advanced image generation with intuitive design tools. Unlike other IR platforms, it emphasizes creative workflow and artistic control. You get real-time previews, style customization, and seamless integration with Google's ecosystem. Create Flow lets you build prompts iteratively, start with a concept, refine visuals step by step, and watch AI adapt in real time. Use layers, add style modifiers, and blend multiple artistic directions simultaneously. This workflow eliminates trial and error, letting you focus purely on creative vision and experimentation. And experimentation au pampa. Combine descriptive adjectives with specific art styles. Try ethereal watercolor landscape or cyberpunk portrait. Neon lighting. Use the style library to match existing artwork. Experiment with color palettes and composition guides. Save variations as you explore, building a portfolio of iterative designs. Export high-resolution files directly. Layer age-generated elements with traditional design software. Monetize on stock platforms or sell prints. Share your process on social media. Audiences love seeing creative evolution. Creative Studio bridges AI and professional artistic practice seamlessly. Hit subscribe to master art tools weekly. Comment your wildest Creative Studio creation below. Weekly,